Hello and welcome. In this video I'll be showing you how to use the Bitnami Manager. To access the Bitnami Manager, you go to your program and look for the Bitnami WordPress stack, and there is an option for the Bitnami WordPress stack manager. Okay, that's it there, so click on that. You may get a user account control pop-up. Click yes to accept it, and that will launch the Bitnami Manager. So this is the Bitnami Manager, and it's got different tabs. You've got the welcome, which gives you this option. Then you've got the manage servers, gives you a list of servers that are running. You've got the Apache server, which is running, and the MySQL database, which is running. So all your credentials are stored in the MySQL database. So you can start and restart the server if there's any issues from here. You can check the server events if there's any, and from the server tab you can go into the configuration. To click configure, and here inside the configuration option you've got different things that you can check. For example, if you wanted to open the access log, you can do that. It tells you the port that the server is running on, and you can open error log. You can open a config file. If you want to change anything within the configuration, it gives you a warning telling you that manually editing the configuration file is for advanced users. Okay, so don't do that if you don't know what you're doing. It's just wanted to show you where it is. For experienced PHP developers or WordPress developers, you can come in here and change a lot of stuff inside the config file. So a lot of things is set up within the config file, but you need to know what you're doing before you go into this file. So it's not recommended unless you are experienced. So I'm going to close out of that tab and go back to the welcome tab. And inside the welcome tab, we've got different options. This here takes you directly to the application. If you click go to application, it gives you this link where you can click here to give you access to WordPress. All right, open PHP My Admin. This will open the admin tool used to manage the database. The username is always root. The password will be the password you set during the setup of Bitnami. So you pop your password in there, and that will give you, okay, doesn't like mine, I'll try again. All right, I've entered the correct password now. So these are various databases you can manage. This is the Bitnami WordPress database. So if I expand that, you can see different things. So these are different components. This is the WordPress users. So if you want to manage or add users, this is where you would do it. If you know how to use the MySQL database, you can come here and add users. So this PHP My Admin is just an admin tool that you can use to manage the database. All right, so you can do all kinds of things. If you're used to working with databases, this would be where you would experiment or add stuff for the database. All right, and then here, if you want to open the application folder where Bitnami actually runs, you click on that, and that takes you directly to the actual folder that contains the Bitnami application. And then here, if you want to visit Bitnami website, click on that. That takes you to the website itself. And if you want support, click on Get Support. Again, that takes you to Bitnami documents where you can read all about support. So this Bitnami Manager can be quite useful tool to go to if you want to check a few things. So that's it for this video on using the Bitnami Manager. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.